Hello friends, this is Bharti and you are watching Learn Maths with Bharti. So friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And recently I have created some videos on trigonometry. If you have missed those videos, please go and check it out. For that, I will share the video link in the description box below. So today we are going to learn a new topic from quadratic equations. So let's get started. So friends, here we have question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So we will find the roots by using factorization method. It means splitting the middle term. So the first thing we have to do is, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. Now multiply. What is the constant term? Minus 10. So what is the product? Minus 10. So minus 10 is the product. Now see what is the coefficient of x. It means middle term. Okay. What is the coefficient of x? Minus 3. Now next step is, we have to think of two numbers, okay, whose product is minus 10. Whose product is minus 10. So here 5 to 10 ones are 2, 10 ones are 10, 10 into 1, 10 ones are 10. This is a pair. And one more combination is there, 5 twos are 10. Okay, we will think about the sign later. First you check how can we get 10 by multiplying two numbers. 10 into 1 is 10, 5 into 2 is 10. Now out of these two pairs, think that which pair will give you minus 3 on adding or subtracting. So if we add or subtract 10 and 1, we won't get 3. Okay. If we add 5 and 2, we won't get 3. But if we take minus 5 and 2, it means if we take minus 5 and 2, okay, then minus 5 and 2 will give you minus 10, okay, and minus 5 plus 2 will give you minus 3 also, okay. So it means minus 5 and 2 are the correct numbers, okay, required numbers. So here split it. Here x square minus 3x can be written as minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now take common x, okay, from these two terms, okay, take common x. We will get x minus 5 inside the bracket. Now take common. What is the common in these two terms? Here 2 is common. Why? Because this 10 can be written as 2 into 5. It means we can take common from 2 into 5, 2. So 2 is common. Here x will be left over, minus here 2 is common, so 5 will be left over, is equal to 0. Okay. So here now see, x minus 5 is common in both the terms. So we will write x plus 2 is equal to 0. It means x minus 5 is equal to 0, or we have to write or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. Okay. So x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Now let's move to the next question. So see here, the equation is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here also the same thing. First we will see what is the coefficient of x square, 100, and what is the constant term, 1. 100 into 1 is equal to 100. Okay. Now what is the coefficient of x minus 20. Okay, now think of two numbers whose product is 100. So we can write 50 into 2 is 100, and we can write 25 into 4 is 100, and we can write 20 into 5 is 100. Okay, and also we can write 10 into 10 is 100. Okay, so here so many combinations are there, so many pairs are there, but out of this, okay, which pair will give you minus 20 on adding or subtracting? You have to check. If we will take 50 and 2, this pair will not give you minus 20 on adding or subtracting. Okay, cancel 25 and 4. If we add or subtract, we won't get 20. Cancel. So 20 into 5, and if we add or subtract, we will not get minus 20. But see here 10 and 10. If we add 10 and 10, we will get 20. But we want minus 20. It means what? Minus 10 will give you minus 20. Okay, it means we have to take minus sign here, minus 10 and minus 10. If we multiply minus 10 and minus 10, we will get 100 also. It means the required numbers are minus 10 and minus 10. So here 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so first two terms, see, first two terms, what is common here? 10x is common. Okay, you know how to take common? See, 100 means what? 100 means what? We can write 100 as 10 into 10. It means 10 is common, means 10 is left over. So here, start bracket, we will, here 10 will be left, 10 and 1x minus 10x is common, so here don't write 0, here you have to write 1. Okay, 10x is common, so here you write 1. Now take so here out of these two terms nothing is common. Okay, nothing is same, but where you see that nothing, no number is matching, nothing is common, then there we have to take 1 as common. It means here nothing is common, so it means 1 is common. Okay, 1 is there. Take 1 as common, then you will get 10x inside. And if do remember, when we take minus common, then you have to change this sign. Minus, here you will get 1. Just change the sign inside, is equal to 0. Now 10x minus 1, 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. It means 10x minus 1 is equal to 0, or 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 1 by 10, or x is equal to 1 by 10. So here we got equal roots. Okay, so x is equal to 1 by 10 or x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 10. So I hope you have understood it very well. So friends, here we have next question. Before solving this question, let me remind you friends, I have already created some videos on similar triangles. So if you haven't watched those videos yet, so please go and check it out. For that, I will put the video link in the description box below. Okay, so now let's solve it. So here we have a question. Here root terms are there. Okay, so कई बच्चे हैं जो रूट देखते ही साथ डर जाते हैं, तो डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो यहाँ पे मैं आपको अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करूँगी. तो यहाँ पे क्या, हियर वी हैव रूट 2 एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 5 रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 0. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट हियर व्हाट इज द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर? रूट 2. Now you have to multiply. What you have to multiply? What is the constant term? 5 root 2. So multiply these two terms. You will get 5 into root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. It means you will get 10. Okay. So now the next thing is, what is the coefficient of x? Okay, that is 7. So now you have to think of two numbers whose product is 10, and adding or subtracting we have to get 7. Okay, so now 5 twos are, I think this pair is enough. 5 twos are 10, and if we add 5 and 2 we will get 7. Okay, so here we have to split here. Root to see 5 plus 2 is 7 also, and 5 into 2 is 10. So here root 2x square. Now split the middle term. So middle term 7x can be written as 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here you can see from these two terms, what can we take common? Here x is common, so we will be left with root 2x plus 5. Now here what is common? It seems that nothing is common, but यहाँ भी common है. Here also something is common. What is that? See, 2x means here you can see 2. Okay, in 5 root 2 is there. 2 can be written as C. Can't we write 2 as root 2 into root 2? हम लिख सकते हैं ना 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. तो समझ लो 2 की जगह है root 2 into root 2. Okay, it means let in the place of 2 root 2 into root 2 is there. Okay, now take common root 2 from these two terms. So root 2 is common, it means one root 2 is left over and x is there, plus root 2 is common, so 5. And check that here this one and this one is same or not. Always you should get these two brackets same. Okay, now here root 2x plus 5 is common, and x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Means root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to minus 5 by root 2, or x is equal to minus root 2. Okay, problem solved. Okay, isn't it easy? Okay, now next go to next question. Okay friends, we have next question here. Let's read it. 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. इसमें भी रूट है, बट डोंट वरी, रूट को देखकर घबराना नहीं है. ओके, मैं इसको सिंपल वे में समझाऊंगी. So the first thing is you have to write coefficient of x square 3. Now multiply. What is the constant term? 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Now what is the coefficient of x? It means middle term, minus 2 root 6. Okay. Now think of two numbers whose product is 6. It means immediately you will say that 3 into 2 is 6. Okay. Correct. But think that will this give you on subtracting or adding minus 2 root 6, will you get? No. So cancel. Now you will say 6 into 1 is also 6. Okay, 6 into 1 is 6. But 6 plus 1 or 6 minus 1 will not give you minus 2 root 6. Okay, so this one also will cancel. Then how we will get? So we can write 6 as root 6 into root 6. Okay, so root 6 into root 6 is 6. Okay, so but you see here, if we add root 6 and root 6, we will get 2 root 6. But we want minus sign here, So minus root 6 minus root 6 gives you minus 2 root 6. Okay, and minus root 6 into minus root 6 will give you 6. will give you 6. Now it means we have to split it in this way. 3x square minus root 6 minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see. Here if you see that if I ask what is common in both these two terms, you will say that only x is common. But no, one more thing is common. What is that? See, 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. Okay. And root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2. Okay. It means root 3 is common. Yes or no? Okay, root 3 is common. So we have to write in this way. Okay, here I will write here 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 x square. Okay, now let me erase it. Okay, now minus root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 2, then x minus root 3 into root 2, then x, then plus 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now you see, from these two terms, what is common? Root 3 x is common. So, in the bracket root 3x minus root 2. Now, from these two terms minus, you can see here clearly root 2 is common. So, you will be left with root 3x. Since minus is common, so you have to change the sign. Minus root 2 is equal to 0. Now root 3x minus root 2 is common. You will be left with root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. It means root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0, or root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to plus root 2 by root 3. Okay. So root 2 by root 3, or x is equal to root 2 by root 3. Okay. I hope you have understood it very well. So friends, I hope you have understood today's concepts clearly, but still you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to solve some more problems on this topic, factorization, then please comment in the comment section below. I will make a new video part 2 on factorization. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. So thank you for watching, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.